Finally, Adobe has just released Photoshop Web, and the best part is it's completely free for a whole year. Yes, you heard that right. No subscription, no credit card, nothing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can activate this official free plan and start using Photoshop online without installing anything on your PC. So let's get started. Head over to Google and search for Chrome Web Store. Now open the Chrome Web Store and in the search bar type Photoshop. Here you will see the official Photoshop extension. Just click on it. Now simply click Add to Chrome. As you can see, the extension is installed. Next, click on Start Free Offer. Here you can clearly see that Adobe is giving 1 year of free Photoshop web access, and the best part is that you don't need any credit card to use it. Now click on Start for free. You can sign in with your Google, Facebook or Apple account. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. And here you can see we've got 1 year of free Photoshop web. Now click on Upload and select your picture. You'll get a lot of tools here that you can try, and since it's completely free, you can use everything as much as you want.